Phelps, do you read books? As you can see, that's my bookshelf. I read a lot. It makes life easier to go through.
I don't see a good book to read. The ones I have read haven't really been helpful to me.
Okay. I will share some books with you so you can read. You see, books will make you happier.
Okay, thanks.
The first book that I will recommend is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. That book is powerful. Then also you should read The Richest Man in Babylon by Klassen. Also, you should read The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker.
Thanks. I am happy.
A very important lesson I learned from Think and Grow Rich is this: opportunity often comes disguised as in the form of a misfortune or temporary defeat. Every failure, every heartache, carries within it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. You see, there are manifold secrets in books. If you read good books, you must go far by default.
Okay, Santa.
Readers are always leaders, because anyone who reads one good book or the other is better off than the other person who chooses to stay ignorant.